Viewers, the 18th Lok Sabha has convened for the first time and the session is currently ongoing. But the showdown between the opposition and the government has escalated on expected lines. Before the session even began, the Prime Minister delivered his traditional address outside the new Parliament House. He spoke about how the Lok Sabha is convening with the dream of Viksit Bharat and how his government's endeavour will be to take everyone together. The Prime Minister said that running a nation requires consensus and called upon the opposition to choose substance over sloganeering. But it's his statement on emergency that has the opposition all riled up. The Prime Minister began the session on the front foot, highlighting how tomorrow is the 50th anniversary of the emergency's imposition in the country. He called it a blot on India's democracy. Listen in.
25 जून न भूलने वाला दिवस है। कल 25 जून को भारत के लोकतंत्र में जो काला धब्बा लगा था, उसके 50 वर्ष हो रहे हैं। भारत की नई पीढ़ी इस बात को कभी नहीं भूलेगी कि भारत के संविधान को पूरी तरह नकार दिया गया था। देशवासी संकल्प लेंगे कि भारत में फिर कभी कोई ऐसी हिम्मत नहीं करेगा जो 50 साल पहले की गई थी और लोकतंत्र पे काला धब्बा लगा दिया गया था।
But the opposition had also come prepared to take on the government over its claim of attack on constitution. The India bloc leaders held a protest in the parliament with copies of constitution in their hands. From Sonia Gandhi to Rahul Gandhi to Mallikarjun Kharge to even Akhilesh Yadav all walked into the parliament with a copy of the constitution in their hands. The opposition claimed that they were committed to protecting the constitution and will continue to keep the government in check.
कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन लाने की जरूरत क्यों पड़ी आज आप लोगों को सब विपक्ष के?
क्योंकि देखिए, जो आक्रमण प्रधानमंत्री जी अमित शाह जी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पर, संविधान पे कर रहे हैं, वो हमारे लिए एक्सेप्टेबल नहीं है, वो हम होने नहीं देंगे। इसीलिए हमने कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ओथ लेते हुए हमने कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पकड़ा था। धन्यवाद। हमारा संदेश जा रहा है, हिंदुस्तान के कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को कोई शक्ति नहीं छू सकती है। धन्यवाद। ये देखिए,
संविधान को बचाने के लिए हमने जो कोशिश की थी उसमें सारी जनता हमारे साथ दी, लेकिन मोदी जी संविधान को तोड़ने की कोशिश किए। इसीलिए आज सभी पार्टी के नेता लोग एक होकर ये जो प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं और यहाँ पर जो गांधी स्टैचू थी और वहीं पर हम प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं। मेरे बाबा साहब अम्बेडकर की वहाँ थी और गांधी जी की यहाँ थी, यानी हर नॉर्म्स को, डेमोक्रेटिक नॉर्म्स को तोड़ रहे हैं। इसीलिए आज हम ये दिखाना चाहते हैं, भाई मोदी जी आप संविधान के तहत चलिए।
Now, the opposition has claimed that the government had launched an attack on the constitution, while the BJP has now hit back, reminding the Congress that it was ironic for the party to speak about constitution or democracy because of its history.
We are living in an emergency even now. What are they talking about? All these dramabazi we are not interested in. We have seen these dramas before also. Public have understood, that's why they've got the results they have. So you don't have to remind people about that emergency. We are living in an emergency now where you don't have any freedom and we don't know when the ED will come to our house. We don't know what is going to happen. We are asking what has happened with me to उसके बारे में क्यों नहीं बोलते? आपकी मन की बात क्या, हमारी मन की बात भी सुना करो। What are you doing about the need? You give single point answer to that. वो उसका जवाब दीजिए, फिर आगे बढ़ के इमरजेंसी या कुछ और हम बात करें।
The people of our country have seen in the last 10 years is Tanashahi, dictatorship, which didn't have any limitations at all. This entire election was fought to save our constitution, to protect our democracy, to carry on with the legacies that the founding fathers of our constitution and the freedom fighters had left behind. I think that resonated with the people of our country. And That's why we got more numbers. India Alliance parties got large numbers in this 18th Lok Sabha, and this reflects the mood of the nation. So I think we need to continue to protect our constitution. That is the lifeline of our democracy. That is the lifeline of our country.
And well, it's not just in the national capital. The BJP also hit the streets in Bengaluru on the eve of the emergency date, saying that the Congress party has still not shed its mindset of imposing emergency.
Protest at Freedom Park, which was earlier Bangalore Central Jail, against emergency, and they said that demanded also an apology with Rahul Gandhi saying that the emergency imposed by then Congress Chief Minister Indira Gandhi was undemocratic, and the Congress party, which has been calling BJP, accusing them of changing constitution, in fact was the one who imposed emergency and declaring constitution null. They demanded that Rahul Gandhi should issue an apology over this issue, and it carried out protests saying that it's a black day on democracy. It is more than 50 years. A voice echoed by the Prime Minister himself in Delhi saying that it's been 50 years since the black day of democracy happened, and the BJP is the one which is protecting the constitution, unlike allegations made by the Congress here.
Okay, all right. On that note, we're slipping into a very quick break here. We'll be right back. Before that, let's tell you what the opposition has been saying, because time and again the opposition has said that there has been an attack on the constitution. This is the claim that has been made, and today on the first day of the first session of the parliament as well, the opposition continued to rake up the issue. Several of the opposition leaders, in fact, walked into the parliament with copies of the constitution in their hands. We'll just play out those visuals as well of Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra also continuing the attack on Twitter, but the opposition leaders are continuing to escalate it. Look at the visuals on your screens. The India Bloc leaders holding the constitution in their hands. Rahul Gandhi also, while speaking to the media, continued to say that we are going to continue questioning the government. We're going to continue keeping the government accountable. Akhilesh Yadav, visuals on your screens also showing Sonia Gandhi with a copy of the constitution. In fact, the opposition leaders staged a protest outside the Gandhi statue holding a constitution in their hands. So the showdown over the constitution continues. Viewers, the 18th Lok Sabha has convened for the first time and the session is currently ongoing. But the showdown between the opposition and the government has escalated on expected lines. Before the session even began, the Prime Minister delivered his traditional address outside the new Parliament House. He spoke about how the Lok Sabha is convening with the dream of Viksit Bharat and how his government's endeavour will be to take everyone together. The Prime Minister said that running a nation requires consensus and called upon the opposition to choose substance over sloganeering. But it's his statement on emergency that has the opposition all riled up. The Prime Minister began the session on the front foot, highlighting how tomorrow is the 50th anniversary of the emergency's imposition in the country. He called it a blot on India's democracy. Listen in.
25 जून न भूलने वाला दिवस है। कल 25 जून को भारत के लोकतंत्र में जो काला धब्बा लगा था, उसके 50 वर्ष हो रहे हैं। भारत की नई पीढ़ी इस बात को कभी नहीं भूलेगी कि भारत के संविधान को पूरी तरह नकार दिया गया था। देशवासी संकल्प लेंगे कि भारत में फिर कभी कोई ऐसी हिम्मत नहीं करेगा जो 50 साल पहले की गई थी और लोकतंत्र पे काला धब्बा लगा दिया गया था।